Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal, and as we have stepped in a new year 2019, and we have started all new things. As you are already seeing that we have started new courses, and in the topic list of dams in India with states, it was requested in our SSC group. And one more thing that we are doing all our new videos in English only because. Uh, Mm, Recently, we requested all of you to fill a registration form for new courses in 2019, and less than 5% students requested only Hindi, and remaining students requested either only English or they were comfortable with the languages. And our 33% audience comes from South India, and there's a necessity of English videos. So we are doing videos in English right now, and if in future there is an urgent need of Hindi videos, we'll do that also. But for now, we are doing videos in English. And let's come to the topic, that is list of dams in India. And what I felt that if you classify things, then things become easier. So I have classified the dams in states. I've divided the dams in states, and now you have many sections to remember separately. So you can remember one by one state wise. So you see, at first there's in alphabetical order comes Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh there are one, two, three, four, five dams you have to remember. So first you can do like this, that you can remember the number of dams per state. For example, Andhra Pradesh there are five, and Arunachal there are three, and since there are only three, it is easy to remember. So you can first remember these three, and then Bihar there are only three again, and then Chhattisgarh only four, Gujarat five. So this way you can start, and you see there are uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in Andhra Pradesh, that is not a big number, so you can remember that also. And thereafter, it comes that which dam is on which river. You can remember it thereafter. Kalyani is on Swarnamukhi, Kandaleru is on Kandaleru. It is easy to remember. Kandaleru is on Kandaleru. It is easy to remember. Okay. So these names you have to remember first. And then, for example, Ranganadi Dam is on Ranganadi River. Ranganadi Dam is on Ranganadi River in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Chandan Dam is on Chandan River in Bihar. Nagi Dam is on Nagi River, and Durgavati Dam is on Durgavati River. So all three dams of Bihar are very easy to remember because the name of dam is the same as the name of the river. Okay, and in very few exams it asks about location. So location is something extra. You can keep it for later. You have to at first remember only dam, river and state. Dam, river and state. And as far as states are concerned, it is divided in the best manner possible. So first, Andhra Pradesh, Kalyani, Kandaleru, Srisailam, Somasila, Veligalu. Kalyani, Kandaleru, Srisailam, Somasila, Veligalu. Okay, and then Arunachal Pradesh, Dibang, Ranganadi, Subansiri, and thereafter in Bihar, Chandan, Durgavati, Nagi. Thereafter Chhattisgarh, Gangarel, Kutaghat, Minimata, Bango, and Dudhava. Okay, thereafter Gujarat, Dantiwada, Kandana, Kamaleshwar, Sardar Sarovar, Ukai. Okay, and this way. And one more thing, if I am very fast, you have to pause the video and take a screenshot. Okay, remember, if I am very fast, you have to pause the video and take a screenshot. So one by one, let us see, let us have a look on all states one by one. So this is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, So you can pause and take a screenshot now. And Arunachal is also covered in this, on this screen. Thereafter we come to Bihar, Chhattisgarh. Okay, you can pause and take a screenshot. Thereafter we come to Gujarat and Punjab. Okay, thereafter we move on to Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. The best thing is it is in alphabetical order. It is state wise. Okay. If the dams are presented in this way, I think it is the easiest to remember. That's why I made this video. And then you go to Jharkhand and Karnataka. In Karnataka, there are many dams. Okay, you have to remember a few things which are peculiar, which are different, which are important. Just like there are two dams on Damodar River. Uh, Look at this. There are two dams on Damodar River in Jharkhand. Okay, mm, it is Panket or whatever you call it, Panchet, and Tenughat Dam. Okay, then there are dams of Karnataka. Thereafter Kerala, and then Madhya Pradesh. Pause and take a screenshot, and then you can go on to Maharashtra and Odisha. If I was fast, I am coming back to Maharashtra again. Remember to pause and screenshot. Okay, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is Rajasthan and this one is Tamil Nadu. Thereafter, we come to Telangana. There are so many dams in Telangana. Oh my God, it is a separate state, new state, and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Hmm. So here is uh, what you need to update if you have earlier remembered this section of your general knowledge. You have to update that in the new state Telangana these dams are added, and these dams would be excluded from a few other states in that means Andhra Pradesh, from Andhra Pradesh these dams are excluded because these must be earlier in Andhra Pradesh, and now these are in Telangana. Okay, and thereafter you come to Uttar Pradesh, and then finally West Bengal. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please WhatsApp it to 82946000829. Let me repeat, 82946000829. Okay, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and happy learning. Bye bye. Thank you.